Welcome back. Now that we have become partners of Dailymotion, let's learn how to upload videos and monetize them. So we need to select Partner HQ. You'll notice that there's some options on the left hand side here, so that's what we'll discuss, right? But firstly, we'll discuss media, videos. So this is where we can upload our videos. As an example, I have already uploaded a video. You can see the thumbnail of the video here. It's 7 minutes and 24 seconds long. That's the title of the video. It's got 3 views so far, and that's the date I uploaded it. The $sign represents that it is monetized. It is accessible by the general public. And that sign there of a pencil, if I click on that, it will let me edit the details of the video, right? But first of all, let's learn how we can upload a video. So we need to select this button here, which says upload. If you click on that, you'll get this option here. So there's 2 ways you can upload a video. First is to drag and drop up to 10 video files, right? So you can actually upload 10 videos at a time, right? And all you need to do is drag and drop. If you don't want to do that, you can select video files that you have saved or in particular folders, right? It gives you options to select where you have saved the video. So say for example, if I want to use this video and upload it, I'll select that and click on open. Now within a few seconds the video will start to upload. There it is, right? So it started to upload. By default that's the title, because that's what the video is named, right? So by default it becomes the title, but of course we can change it here. If I delete this, I can change the name there. And if I decide not to go ahead with the upload, I can select cancel. That will cancel the upload. This is the upload status bar. So at the moment it's uploaded 1%, right? And the status is it is still processing. Once it has processed, this button here will become active, so we can select it in order to publish the video. Now we need to enter a description here. Although it's not mandatory, it's a good idea to have a description because it helps with search engine rankings and SEO, right? Now I would suggest or recommend that you do some research on SEOs and how to improve your rankings of your videos, right, with Google search engines or any other search engines, and how to choose your tags. Tags are the keywords that are used by search engines to find your video, right? So if someone is searching for a particular video or particular topic on, say, Google, they will put in the keywords, right? For example, monetization, that can be a keyword. So please do some research on tags and how to write your description and titles of videos in order to rank positively, or at least rank on the first page of, say, search engine results, right? And if you think your video should be age restricted, please ensure that you select this option here, because it prevents minors from viewing this video or your video. And if you're not too sure, you can select that option there, community guidelines, and read up on that. Language, there's a few languages available there that you can choose from. I'll leave it as English. And you can choose the category of your video depending on the content, right? So what's it about? And these fields are mandatory, right? You can add your video or this video to a playlist, right? So whilst you're uploading, you can create a new playlist, but that's totally up to you. And visibility, so you can choose whether the video is public, private, or password protected. I would leave it as public if I want to monetize the video and earn money from it, right? So those are the basic settings for the video there, and there's an advanced option. Now geo-blocking pretty much means that you want to block viewers from some countries. At the moment, or by default, it's set as none. that means there is no geo blocking active. Only in means you can select particular countries, and only block in, again you can enter the name of countries or select from the list of countries provided, right? I'll leave it at the default, which is none. Monetization, now that's what we're interested in, right? That because we have become a partner and we are uploading this video by default, that's already selected, right? It is monetized. If in case I didn't want to monetize this video, I would click on that and it's no longer monetized, right? So I click again and that's now monetized. Embed code. Now this code is used if you want to display Dailymotion videos on your website, or if you want to use your video, this particular video here, and include it in your website, you can use this embed code. You can also make this video a feature video on your channel on Dailymotion, right? And you can input the record date, but these are not mandatory fields, right? So you can leave them blank or disable, that's up to you. You can add subtitles as well. Now with the subtitles, you need to have them saved on your PC, and it has to be a .srt file, right? So if you don't know what that file is, please do a search and find out about that, and play next. So you can add what's played next after your video here as well. So if you have a link, you can enter it there. But these are just the basics, some of the basic features available. The major one we're interested in is here, monetization. So we have to make sure that the video is monetized so we can earn money on the videos. And we need to be sure that our title, description, and tags are optimized for SEO, search engine optimization, right? So they are actually found when viewers or people are searching for certain keywords that relate to our video. So those are the important things, right? But I cannot go into detail regarding that because that's another topic altogether. But this is how you can upload a video once you have become a partner, and in order to ensure that the video is monetized, make sure that is selected, right? So we'll go ahead and cancel this upload. Okay, so the upload is cancelled, and I'll select videos again. So once the video is uploaded, this is where it'll come up, right? And it'll keep adding at the bottom here, right, as you keep uploading the videos. So you can view them and you'll be able to see how many views you have to date and whether it's still monetized or not. If it's not, you can go back and change it, and it's publicly accessible, right? Now if I had to change the details of this video, I would select that option there, the pencil symbol, and that will take me to the settings or the details of the video, and I can edit them. Now also with the thumbnail of the video, this is how you choose the thumbnail. It's here. So once you upload it, whilst we were uploading, there were no options to set the thumbnail, right? But once it's uploaded, if you click on the pencil symbol just like I did earlier, you can set the thumbnail. Now what you need to do is select play. So once the video starts to play, select use frame. So say I want to change the thumbnail to this. As you can see, it's already changed, right? Because that's when I clicked use frame. Now say I decide to change it. Okay, I'll try and change the slide. Okay, it's not letting me skip, so I'll just wait. until this slide changes, and I'll click on use frame in order to change the thumbnail. So there you go, I'll select use frame. So as you can see, the thumbnail has now changed again. So that's how you can change the thumbnail, right? You need to play the video and then click on use frame. So that's how you can change the thumbnail. Now I know in some programs there's other options. For example, you can upload a thumbnail that's an image. It can be a JPEG file or PNG file, but with Dailymotion you need to select it from a frame, right? It's a frame from your actual video. So just as a hint, when you are making your video, maybe at the beginning or at the end, have that title thumbnail, right? Have it at the beginning, and when you are setting your thumbnail, you can just press play. As soon as the title comes up, select use frame, and that will become your thumbnail. So that's one technique that you can use. And as an example, so that's the title there, that's the description of the video, and those are the tags, right? How to convert, calculate kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, KB, MB, GB, right? So those are some of the keywords or tags that relate to this video, and as you can see, those keywords are also in the title, and they are also mentioned in the description here: kilobytes, gigabytes, and so, right? Okay, so that's how an uploaded video looks like, and that's how you can edit it. Next thing we'll discuss is playlist, but just before we leave, share link. If you had to share this video, if I wanted to share this video, I can easily copy and paste this, and I can paste it on other social media websites, for example Facebook, Twitter, and other websites, right? So that's the link there for this video. If I click on it, it'll go directly to this video. Okay, now because I'm the owner of this video, obviously it's saying I have the option to edit this video, but if you share the link, that's how viewers will see your video. Okay, let's move on to playlists.